We've created our own kitchen pass with 3 stations, and the boys are going to have to cook to order.
The question is, can they figure out how to work together?
You made it too quickly.
I know, and then I made the second one. I delivered it to you in 2 minutes.
Boys, calm down.
To feed 20 diners.
Caramelised onion chutney, lettuce and tomato. Order up.
Yes, well done, boys.
In just 30 minutes.
Do we think we got 20?
Must have been close.
Yeah, must have been close.
Boys, we're going to give you a minute to deliberate and work out a plan of action for service before the first check comes in.
So if I'm on sandwiches at the front,
Right, no, but
I have
think
the tickets here.
it means you're head chef.
Yeah,
Yes.
you need to shout the order,
Yep.
pin it so we can check it, but then check them before ringing the bell and giving it to them.
Yes, and I need great communication from both of you,
Okay.
all of us, to make this work.
With those, always hold down.
I know.
Oh, I love that the silliest one is on head chef.
Are sandwiches easy enough to assemble? I guess they are. What are you most comfortable out of? Soups.
I'm doing soups, it turns out. I've made soups a lot, but never like that.
10 seconds left.
Are you sure you're happy with
I'll
it?
do
You're
soups,
happy
I
with
just need
soups?
to
We're gonna have to-
organise my
I'll do
station.
hot dogs. You're right, communication, lots of yes chefs.
We are open.
Check on 1 3-cheese baguette with caramelised onion chutney, lettuce and tomato, and 1 tuna and sweet corn mayo ciabatta with tomato.
Straight into sandwiches, perfect. What a great place to start.
I have
Barry,
an onion.
Barry, can you pop that in your oven, please?
Yep.
Because I've got a park baked baguette, but I don't have an actual baked baguette, which is a problem.
Check on 1 bratwurst with melted cheese, jalapenos, mustard and ketchup.
1 bratwurst with melted cheese, jalapenos, mustard and ketchup.
Check on 1 spicy lentil and tomato soup with crispy bacon and 1 cream of chicken and mushroom soup with chives and croutons.
Barry, did you get that?
Nope, not yet. I'll take this now, read of it.
Tuna and sweet corn mayo ciabatta with tomato.
Lentils?
Done.
If I just get these cooking now, it's going to take 8 to 10 minutes, but then they're all done, so they can be rapidly delivered next time.
Okay, boys, how are you doing on your orders? Mike?
I've got 8 minutes on the bratwurst because they need to grill.
8 minutes on the bratwurst. Baz?
Spicy tomato soup is on the go.
And a cream of chicken and mushroom soup with chives and croutons.
Yep, that will come soon. I'm trying to work this
Lovely.
one out. This is really complicated.
Check on 1 chili dog and cheese with jalapenos and 1 egg mayonnaise sandwich on toasted brioche.
I'm getting stressed already.
Egg mayonnaise?
Sorry, chef, I was going to do that earlier, but then the fish delivery arrived and I got distracted, so I haven't got around to making your egg mayo.
Right. Mike, chili dog with cheese and jalapenos.
Yes, chef.
Mike only has 1 bratwurst and 1 hot dog on at the moment, yet he's put them all in the pan.
I think that's a great shout.
He's getting ahead,
I'm on
sounds
that.
sensible. Towards the end of service, you rein it in so you don't waste, but right now, that's clever.
Baz, how you doing?
I'm just trying to work this out, but I think I'm getting there.
Excellent. Great work.
The thing with the Sorted Food Studio is they're only ever doing or focusing on one dish. Sometimes that's shared as a team, sometimes that's individually. This is about multitasking, about communication, and it's a dress rehearsal for throwing them into a real-life professional kitchen later this year.
I think Barry has by far the hardest job here. Barry's actually having to be creative at the same time as getting orders out.
Right, Baz, can I just double check a logic with you? I've got an egg mayo order,
Yep.
but I don't have any boiled eggs. What I'm going to do
Yep.
is I'm going to poach eggs instead.
What? It would be faster.
that
You
will be
could do it in the
quicker.
background and
Check on 2 jumbo frankfurters, both with green gherkin relish, crispy onions, mustard and ketchup.
2 jumbo frankfurters, both with gherkin relish.
Actually, let's just can we put it on the front? Because then I know where
put
they
it-
all
put it
are.
up here, put it up here.
It's nice and uniform.
Jamie's got control of the orders. They're not necessarily in chronological. He's working some over on the left, some over on the right, but he has a plan.
3 cheese, caramelised onion chutney, lettuce and tomato.
Head chef, can I ask a question?
Yes, chef.
So, jumbo has been specified, the chili dog has not. Do I then cut the frankfurter in half to not make it jumbo?
I would say make an executive decision.
Okay, well, seeing as jumbo has been specified, I will deliver jumbo and I will deliver normal size unless specified.
Order up. 1 3-cheese baguette with caramelised onion chutney, lettuce and tomato. 1 tuna and sweet corn mayo ciabatta with tomato.
chef, order up.
Ring that bell.
Order up. 1 spicy and lentil and tomato soup, Barry, with crispy bacon. Barry,
What? You got the thing, yeah?
1 spicy lentil and tomato soup with crispy bacon.
Yes, chef.
1 cream of chicken and mushroom soup with chives and croutons.
Yeah, mate.
Order up.
2 minutes on the chili dog.
Boys, nicely done. 2 orders have gone out to the diners.
Well done, boys. We're on this.
Check on. 1 roasted beef ciabatta with caramelised onion marmalade, tomato and raw sliced onion, and 1 miso noodle soup with spring onions.
1 miso noodle soup with spring onions, Barry. Mike, how you getting on?
30 seconds on the chili dog, chef.
Lovely.
A lot of smoke coming from the corner.
Yes, this griddle pan. I've turned it off.
Roast beef, caramelised onion marmalade, tomato.
Boys, shout if you want the front of the house staff to slow down, but I've got another one here. Check on. 1 seafood noodle soup with sweet corn and spring onion, and 1 falafel ciabatta with roasted red pepper, aioli, lettuce and pesto.
Chili dog, cheese, jalapenos.
Chili dog cheese and jalapenos. Great. We're just going to have to wait for the egg mayo to be finished before I can ring that order.
Chef, can you read out that last ticket again, please?
Yeah, you've got seafood noodle soup with sweet corn and spring onion.
2 minutes on the bratwurst, chef.
Lovely.
There's tickets all over the
Why
place.
is
There's
the
some
ticket over
down
here?
here.
Jane, what
No, that's the ticket that's waiting.
where's the new order for the soup?
Seafood noodle
Why
soup.
is it at the beginning, not the end? Right, okay.
Because
That's the order we're working from.
This is what's coming up.
It gets harder when there's multiple things on the order, so they can't now separate them out.
Raw sliced
You're a
onion.
third of the way through the shift already. It's looking good, but you've got lots of checks you need to get out. I count 5. 4 on the line. 1 on the chili dog that's getting cold.
No, it's not. Coming in hot. Have I got a miso noodle soup ready to go yet, Barry?
Nearly, chef.
Lovely. Okay, that is lined up, ready to go. Waiting for it. Perfect.
Mustard and ketchup. Cool.
Egg mayo. Let's make an egg mayo.
Jamie has saved him a huge amount of time on poaching eggs that he's now going to make into egg mayo.
But I like that. It takes a lot less time if they're hard poached.
I think he's also gone very heavy on aioli, not
2 jumbo
mayonnaise.
frankfurters.
It's ready for you to check and go.
Perfect. So, Mike, that was 2 jumbo frankfurters, both with gherkins, relish, crispy onions, mustard and ketchup. Order up.
Yes, well done, boys.
Grill marks on the sausage. Identical. Excellent
Good.
work.
That's 3 orders down, guys.
Is that blowtorch?
Melted cheese.
Michael!
I had no other options. Come on, melt.
Have you tasted your egg mayo?
Yep. It's delicious.
Jay.
He's carrying on regardless. I don't think you can send that, Jay.
What's wrong with that?
That's not a toasted brioche egg mayo sandwich, is it?
It is.
No, it's not.
It
Ask
is.
your fellow chefs.
Our leader.
Barry sent us 2 delicious soups.
Toasted brioche.
What's that?
Toasted brioche egg mayo. That's egg mayo.
Jamie.
It's a bit wetter than I'd like it.
You making French toast?
Chef, I know this isn't the time, but
He's
that's
still trying to put it in a box.
a bratwurst, melted cheese, jalapeno, ketchup and mayo. It's this one here. Would you like me to grab it?
That's done.
And it's
1
there.
bratwurst with melted cheese, jalapenos, mustard and ketchup.
Right,
Order up.
okay.
Right, miso noodle soup with spring onions. Barry, how are we doing?
They are about a minute off, just the noodles are softening.
It's also been made with aioli.
Garlic!
Sending that chef back, chef.
Oh no! Overcook some eggs.
We've got a bratwurst with melted cheese, jalapenos, mustard and ketchup. Looks good.
We'll take that to a diner.
Good job, Mike.
Everything else, I think, is ready to go. A bit of a clear down.
Check on.
Here we go.
1 veggie potato and leek soup with chive garnish, and 1 tomato and lentil soup made with beef stock, please. Extra chopped parsley.
Mike.
Yeah.
I might need you to do another chili dog and cheese and jalapenos.
Why?
Because the egg mayo wasn't up to scratch.
Jay?
Hello,
But
mate.
what does that affect my hot dog?
Because I think yours is going to be cold by the time the egg mayo is ready to go.
Yes, chef.
Jay, we have 1 miso noodle dish and 1 seafood noodle dish.
That's roasted ciabatta. That can go. That's a seafood noodle soup with sweet corn and spring onions, correct?
Delicious.
It's heavy on miso, but it's good. It's good, I'll take
And
that.
that's got everything it needs.
Chefs, you'll notice it is quite heavy on miso, but I tried to counteract it with some sweet caramelised onions.
Great job on sandwich and soup. Going to diners.
Yes, lovely.
Noodles could be a touch more cooked next
Touch
time.
more cooked. Well, al dente.
They were al dente. But we'd
Luckily,
take
it's
it,
going
we'll
to
take
table 486, and by the time it gets there, might be more cooked.
it. You okay, Jay?
All good.
Sure?
All good.
What are you cooking in there?
What's this? Tomato
eggs.
and-
Not another poached egg.
Why is this here? That's done, isn't it?
Barry, where are you taking that order?
Here. It's here for some
Right.
reason.
That's your veggie potato and leek soup, yes? And your tomato and lentil soup. New order came in.
Right, thanks for... Why is it there?
Check on. This is for Izzy's lunch. 1 sourdough toasty with chicken, mozzarella and spring onions, and a chili dog with crispy onions, jalapenos and Perinese sauce.
Lovely, thank you, James. Right, Mike, that is chili dog with crispy onions, jalapenos, and Peronaise.
Truffle ciabatta with roasted pepper, aioli, lettuce and pesto. Yep, we're good.
Sourdough toasty with chicken, mozzarella, and spring onions.
Chili dogs, cheese, jalapenos. Oh, sorry.
Thank you, mate.
Sorry.
No, all good. That's a chili dog with cheese and jalapenos. No, it's not ready to go.
Oh, guys, you've got to communicate.
What's happened?
You've done that order again, and there's no egg mayo yet.
Right, you need to clarify when you need them, because if you tell me to do it, I'm going to do it quick.
Okay. Yes, chef.
No, you're the chef.
We're all chefs.
So,
How long does it take you to make a chili dog?
it's all ready to go. 30 seconds away, but I can slow right down.
Hold up on the chili dog with cheese and jalapenos.
Check on one veggie dog with Peronaise and one jumbo frankfurter with sauerkraut and mustard. Check on.
Check on, new check. New
Right.
check.
Do you know what? It's been years since either James or I have worked in professional kitchens, but there is a real buzz
Sadly.
around service time and the pass, listening, communicating, working together in rhythm, almost a choreography.
So the sandwich is going into the panini press now. Mike, that is 2 minutes off for the toasty, which is
We've got
2 minutes off.
We're going to have 8 minutes on the veggie dog.
Okay.
'Cause we've got to cook it.
We're good.
You are in complete control of
That's
that.
done. That'll be
That's
done.
fine.
That'll be done in 1 minute.
Big order coming in, chefs. 1 Swiss cheese and ham sandwich on sourdough with tomato, lettuce and mustard mayo. 1 cream of chicken and sweet corn soup with croutons, and 1 tuna and sweet corn mayo baguette with extra lettuce. Lots to remember.
Check on. Right. I need from you a cream of chicken and sweet corn soup with croutons.
Yep.
Okay. Mike, I think we're good to start the chili dog with crispy onions, jalapenos and Peronaise.
Yes, chef.
For Izzy's lunch.
Got 2 cold chili dogs on the pass. What are we doing with those?
They're chef snacks. Lovely.
There you go.
1 sourdough toasty with chicken, mozzarella and spring onions. 1 chili dog, crispy onions, jalapenos and Peronaise.
Oh, chili dog, yeah.
Yeah. Crispy ones, jalapenos, Peronaise.
Toasty
Yes.
with chicken,
I
mozzarella.
saw it come off the grill. It looked good.
It's got chicken. Izzy special. Done.
Well, you say they're not going to customers, but
that
genuinely,
one
we're
is
filming
actually
this
very
just
tasty.
before lunch, and we have food for everyone.
Jay, order is up, ticket is in, all good to go.
Last 8 minutes, and I've got another check on. 2 bratwurst dogs, 1 ketchup, mustard, crispy onions, gherkin relish with 1 pickled jalapenos, mustard, and diced raw onion.
Oh, that's a lot.
That is fully for you, that order, so I'm going
Yes,
to leave that one
chef.
there.
All good to go, Jay.
Barry, veggie potato leek
done.
soup with chive garnish, 1 tomato lentil soup made with beef stock and extra chopped parsley.
Yeah, mate.
Look at that.
Barry's killing this.
Right, Mike, you've also still got 1 veggie dog with Peronaise and 1 jumbo frankfurter with sauerkraut and mustard.
6 minutes on the veggie dog.
Perfect. If I leave that, you're in control of those
I've got
2 orders.
all of those.
Cream of chicken.
Cream of chicken and sweet corn soup.
1 with ketchup and mustard.
How are you 2 boys doing?
Good, chef.
I'm worried about this order that's up here because I haven't even started
Guys,
that.
how is this egg mayo coming?
7 minutes.
It's
We've been
a
waiting.
long time.
It has been a long time. If we knew egg mayo was on the menu, we would have made egg menu earlier, before service.
Pickled jalapenos.
You've got 6 minutes left, and by my count, there are 1, 2, 3, 4 checks still live. Can you get them done in the next 6 minutes?
Come on, boys.
We got this, boys.
Oh, it's getting really stressy now.
Final order of the day. This is James's lunch. 1 little hot dog with all the garnish, and a chicken and sweet corn soup with croutons.
Check on.
That's done.
That's done? Lovely.
2 bratwurst hot dogs with all that stuff. Enjoy.
Great. Mike, could you do me a chili dog with cheese and jalapenos, please? Fresh one.
Chefs, staff,
Jumbo frankfurter with sauerkraut and mustard.
soup thing.
Kitchen. I've just had a call back on one of the checks. The last check, there was a little hot dog. We'd like a full hot dog, please. They've seen the other ones come out. They look too good. You might not even have started it yet. You might be lucky.
I don't think you'd have started it,
1
Mike.
little dog, you now want a full dog.
Please.
Have you got me a chili dog with cheese and jalapenos?
I gave it to you, it's there. It's been sat there for like 3 minutes.
That's why I've asked for a new one.
I've done 2. I've done this twice, mate.
That's why I've asked for a new one, because the egg mayo, you made it too quickly.
I know, and then I made the second one, and you said you said I need that in 2 minutes. I delivered it to you in 2 minutes.
Boys, calm down. Quiet.
Don't
okay?
you start.
Don't shout
But
in the
that
kitchen.
did happen.
But
Can I just have one more chili cheese dog, please? 1 more chili dog with cheese and jalapenos. Just I don't want it to get sent back again. It's not your fault.
Okay.
It's not your fault.
No, we're good. We're good.
We're all good. We're all good.
Last 2 minutes. How many more checks can we get done?
Come on, guys. Buzzer, come on.
Swiss cheese and ham sandwich.
Oh, easy.
Veggie dog, Pyrenees. Looks good.
Veggie dog with Pyrenees, jumbo frankfurter with sauerkraut and mustard.
Looks good.
Spike it.
Can you do me a tuna and sweet corn mayo baguette with extra lettuce? Not just some, extra. Chili cheese
A
dog.
chili cheese dog with cheese.
Chili
and
cheese dog.
jalapenos.
Jalapenos.
For the
Egg mayo
first
sandwich.
time.
Toasted brioche.
Guys, we've had a walkout. We don't need the chili cheese dog with jalapenos and the egg mayo sandwich.
Sorry, they
Toasted
said
brioche.
35 minutes to wait for an egg mayo sandwich wasn't acceptable,
Please
so they've
cancel that
walked
order.
out.
Right, remember their faces, they're banned.
I'm just having it because I'm having my
little-
time.
Sorry,
So,
the
okay,
little
Barry, I
dog,
just need to know whether you're going to do it or
unfortunately,
not.
we're out of
Do you-
bratwurst.
no,
We're
if you
out
can
of
do it, do
frankfurters.
it.
Can it be a bratwurst? Can you ask the...
Can it be bratwurst? Yeah, he prefers bratwurst, actually. He didn't realise it was a choice.
Is this one? What's this?
Barry, that's just waiting for this final sandwich. And then it's...
Literally 40 seconds.
Right, I can get the last one. Jay, do you have a...
Little hot dog, but a little hot dog.
The chicken sweet corn and soup. Is that done?
Yeah, that's good. That's good. Get it out.
10 seconds.
Get it out.
There's so many jumbled orders here. Which ones are coming?
Swiss cheese, ham, on sourdough with tomato, lettuce, and mustard mayo, cream of chicken and sweet corn soup with croutons, tuna and sweet corn mayo baguette with extra lettuce.
It's the trio. It was the hardest order of the day, one of each.
Little dog with all the
Little dog
garnish.
with all the garnish and a chicken and sweet corn soup and croutons. I think that's all the orders. Is that all the orders? Anyone got any tickets there?
Sourdough, tomato and lettuce.
Great
mustard
job.
mayo.
So it's just the that wanted the egg mayo then.
And sweet
Good to
corn
me,
mayo
spike
baguette.
it.
Yes, spike.
And that, boys, is restaurant closed. I'd offer for the chance for you guys to go and get some fresh air, but you need to clean down first, wipe your benches, put your stock away, get ready for evening service, and we'll count up the orders.
I've legitimately got a headache.
No, I'm not surprised.
We need to refine our menu.
We need to have some egg mayo prepped.
It's fair to say it was a challenge, and I don't know, what we witnessed was quite impressive. Like, communication was key.
There was lots of shouting. We did talk a lot.
I am sorry I shouted.
That's
I
fine.
got very
That's
cross.
fine. But I also
Made me make 3 chili dogs.
correct. Yeah, that was my fault, and I will take that.
No, I'm sorry for shouting.
Baz, you're working kind of just juggling 5 or 6 different stocks and pans and coming up with soups that genuinely actually tasted really good. Jamie was doing 2 jobs, probably the easiest, which was the sandwich section, but also juggling checks and communication, most of the time pretty strong.
Egg mayo is not my strong point.
Sometimes Jamie was presuming that information was being passed over because he thought it, he didn't say it. And Mike was busy on the back just doing his thing. Probably the most logical order of station, grill a dog, put it in a bun and then decorate it, but with the most variables from the diners. And everything came to this table correctly, with the exception of the cold timing ones.
Being able to receive the tickets and realise that egg mayo is going to take 10 minutes to make because we have raw eggs.
Yeah.
Don't start the chili dog yet.
Yeah.
Like, I didn't get that far in my thinking. I just went, I haven't got egg mayo.
Yeah.
It's a real art in multitasking, but being able to communicate directly exactly what's required.
Yeah.
And that is such a skill. Such a skill.
We only wanted 20 dishes from you.
Do we think we got 20?
Must have been close.
Yeah, must have been close.
You had a total of 12 orders successfully completed and spiked. And between them, 24 dishes
Take that.
in half an hour. Now imagine a regular restaurant service running from 7 till 10, 3 hours, not 30 minutes. Put yourself in those shoes, and that's the pros.
I know we just fabricated this, but it's a proper buzz, isn't it?
Yeah, it is a buzz.
It's really fun. You can see how it's like we've got to dig in together as a team
Yeah.
and crack these out. And yeah, the sense of
And as you
reward.
practice more and more and you know exactly what you're doing on your station and what the menu actually is, I imagine it's quite fun.
After watching this performance, if we opened a pop-up restaurant with us cooking,
Like
them
this.
directing, would you come?
Thumbs up if you'd come.
Pardon? As always, over to the community. You guys are all over the world. Many of you have restaurants. Would you put our normals into them for one night and one night only? Comment down below.
Great question.
Good question.